Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we begin, make sure to like the video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more updated Samsung tutorials. In this video, we're diving deep into Samsung OneUI 8, the latest major UI update based on Android 16. Not only will I explain the new features, but I'll also show you how to access and use them step by step. Overview of OneUI 8 changes. When you update your smartphone from OneUI 7 to OneUI 8, you'll notice a section called All Changes. By tapping on it, you can see a detailed explanation of every new feature and improvement included in this update. Now, let's explore the most important updates one by one. Quick Share improvements. The first and one of the most important updates in OneUI 8 is Quick Share. Quick Share now allows you to share files faster and more smoothly, use separate send, and receive tabs, accept incoming files without opening the full app. Previously, users had to log in or complete certain steps before sharing files. With OneUI 8, the process is much simpler and more user-friendly. Additionally, the My Files app now has a smarter layout. Files are grouped by source and category. Browsing and accessing files is easier than before. Portrait Scientific Calculator. The second major improvement is the Scientific Calculator in portrait mode. In previous versions of OneUI, the Scientific Calculator only worked in landscape mode. Users had to rotate their phones to access scientific functions. With OneUI 8, the Scientific Calculator now works fully in portrait mode. All scientific functions are available without rotating the phone. This makes the calculator smoother, faster, and more convenient to use. Weather app update. The Weather app has also received a significant upgrade in OneUI 8. The new Weather app now features more realistic and dynamic visuals, improved hourly and extended forecasts, better presentation of temperature, humidity, wind speed, and air quality. The app feels more interactive, informative, and visually appealing, making it easier to understand weather conditions at a glance. Dynamic wallpaper feature. Another standout feature in OneUI 8 is dynamic wallpaper. Dynamic wallpaper is more than just an animated background. It's a smart and adaptive visual system that changes appearance based on time of day, adjusts brightness and contrast for indoor and outdoor lighting, subtly animates when you unlock your phone or receive notifications, syncs seamlessly between the lock screen and home screen for a unified look. Steps to apply dynamic wallpaper. Go to Settings, tap on Wallpapers and Style, select Change Wallpaper, choose Dynamic Wallpaper, scroll through the available options, tap Apply, select Home Screen, Lock Screen, or both. 5. Advanced multitasking and split-screen controls. OneUI 8 improves split-screen multitasking with more flexible layouts. You can now use screen ratios like 90:10 or 80:20, give more space to your primary app, switch focus between apps easily with a simple tap. This makes multitasking more powerful and efficient, especially on larger screens. Redesigned Reminder and Calendar apps. The Reminder app has received a major redesign. Clearer categories at the top, live reminder counts, ready-made templates for bills, meetings, and events, faster reminder creation using voice or text, drag and drop reminders directly into the calendar. The Calendar app is now fully integrated with reminders, making task and schedule management simpler and more organized. Now bar and now brief improvements. The Now bar, available on the lock screen and always on display, now shows real-time activities, media, playback, app-related context. The Now brief feature delivers personalized updates such as traffic alerts, upcoming reminders, Samsung moments. This makes your lock screen more informative and interactive than ever before. Stronger security and privacy. OneUI 8 strengthens Samsung security with several new features. Knox enhanced encrypted protection. Keep protects sensitive app data. Knox Matrix signs out your Samsung account automatically if a serious risk is detected. Advanced secure Wi-Fi uses post-quantum cryptography for stronger network protection. These changes keep your data safer even on public Wi-Fi networks. Conclusion. Overall, OneUI 8 brings performance improvements, smarter features, better visuals, and enhanced usability. Your smartphone feels faster, smoother, and more personalized after the update. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Samsung updates.